Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Hocus Pocus inspired DIYs. With this DIY, you'll need a 8x10 frame from the Dollar Tree. I got the one with a black frame, and then I printed this out. It just says it's a bunch of Hocus Pocus, and what I'm going to do is I am just going to cut this to fit into this frame. So the first thing what you want to do is take the wrap off the frame, and then I'm gonna actually take out the glass and put it over the piece of paper so I know where it's gonna go. You can either use a pair of scissors or a paper cutter like me. So for this DIY, what you'll need is Mod Podge, a candle, a paintbrush, and this printout that I printed out off the internet. I'm just gonna cut it around the edges like so. And then the next thing is you're going to see where you want to place it. Put some Mod Podge on the back, and then put it where you would like it, crease it down, and then just put Mod Podge over it again. For this next DIY, what you'll need is this round mirror from the Dollar Tree. You will need this sign printed. I printed this online. And then you'll need your handy dandy Mod Podge and also a paintbrush. And your scissors. I forgot about that. So what you'll want to do is first cut up your sign. I just cut around the letterings and the broom, as you guys can not see this, but in a little bit you guys will. So 10 years later, after you cut up the sign, what you want to do is put Mod Podge on the back. And then I'm just going to place it over the mirror like so. But then I messed up because if you want to hang it, you got to make sure that the sign is upright just like the hanger. And then you just put Mod Podge over it. With this DIY, it's pretty easy. I bought this scarecrow broom from the Dollar Tree, and what I just did is I'm taking off the head, and there was two leaves that needed to be removed, and then I am just going to take this outside and spray paint it black, and that's basically it. I bought these signs from the dollar store. Two of them is from Valentine's Day, as you guys can see, and the other one is Halloween, just as spooky. So first I'm going to do is I am going to draw my lines where the hair is and where the shirt starts. And then I'm going to start out with Winifred, one of the Sanderson sisters, because she's the easiest. I'm going to paint her shirt green and then her hair orange. Next we are gonna move to Mary, one of the Sanderson sisters. I am going to paint her hair black and her shirt red. And lastly, we are going to be doing Sarah. I kind of messed up on this. I guess I don't know my primary colors. I mixed the wrong colors. So as you guys can see, it's messed up. I'm just going to start with her hair because it's blonde. So as you guys can see, I'm painting her hair blonde here. And then I'm going to go back and fix the color that I messed up. Mixing red and blue and a little black just to get that purple color. Then after I am done coloring, I'm just gonna use this color Cashew to use it as their skin tone color. So I'm just gonna go back and paint all of them that color. While they are drying, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the sign black. What I did was I just got these wood planks from Walmart. They are kind of short, so I glued 3 of them together. So while the sign is drying, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw their lips. I'm not really good with lips, you guys. I'm horrible at it. I'm not a good drawer. So, yeah, just gonna do that. After the sign is dry, what I did is I just wrote, "I smell children." You guys, I am so sorry. For some reason, if I use one of my phone to record, that phone, the image is kind of bright. I don't know how to adjust it, so hopefully for my next video I'll have that corrected. And thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe. I do videos just for the holidays now. Since I have been sick, I have to find time to make my videos, and don't forget to like it so YouTube knows that you guys are engaging in my videos. Thank you. Bye.